ng'etenyes dediku kiding'ate kering'ina ka Pokot, lwelo Mutoso district Amudat, nepeka pian, ludelo Mutoso district alona ka Piprit, kana bilatuk. Elo mutedi ng'etelo, akaulo na adateker, ng'inina ka pian, Atubor la jotomana Amudat, osodeta yare polo niloda mina kironuda ipuchino adepare, olapalo ikanyitaro ila Atubor.
There was a death raid which was occurred in Amudat, and that raid claimed the life of one of the councillors, one of the leaders, and that killing of that Muse in Amudat is what has caused the revenge among the Pokot to the Pian community.
Abuda iboreni tikade ki Pokot, neda poti sumuno tora yari tungaledo leta kaisare ido lomuto sa tekirena ka Pian. Ida nyona ngene Pokot kesi de jas lemenga sete tungaludo Pian, ido sabita loda Atubor, apotudo yarata isilikale yare iboraina kilo ayuara, agolo rikesi mamba tubito itaita itomano district aniche.
The Pokots have become a threat to the Pian. And UPDF has already reviewed its plan. It is going to seal off Amudat because all the guns have been coming from Pokot West through Amudat. So we are going to seal off the whole of Amudat until we agree with the leadership in Amudat that there are no more guns.
Amudat district is strategically located. It's at the border. Even as we speak, they have their guns. They have swept cows from Lorengat sub-county together with these other communities.
The Pokot have fully armed. They have the guns, and their guns all have not been returned to government. There could be still more few guns in Karamoja, in Nabilatuk in particular. But we have all as leaders, as the LC ones, together with the security, we have been working together as a team to ensure that whichever gun is in the community, we fish it out.
Ido ngunu Luka Pian, nyeza poni chora kenai mamkes da koko enene ikecha Oidunyeta.
He requested them not to attack their neighboring districts, Teso, Bulamburi, Kweni.
In northern Karamoja, for example, that is in Kotido and Kabong, where we have registered the highest number of handovers, voluntary handover of guns, there is relative peace. There is no more raiding like it used to be. There is no more killing of each other like it used to be. People have honestly embraced peace.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Nabilatuk.